Hello, it's the Balanced Man channel. I'm back again with another video. At this time, even though this article was published the 31st of March, it's still relevant. People are getting the virus. So it says coronavirus testing kits heading to the UK found to be contaminated with COVID-19. You see, all these test kits that they have been using on people for these past few months have been contaminated. And one of the things that I'm trying to let you see and know is those test kits could possibly still be out there being used on people and passing on the virus. The articles from the Evening Standard. The government has said that it aims to boost the rate of tests to 25,000 every day by the end of April. So you can see all these people, all these death totals that you see come up. This is what they're trying to do. Test all these people. Now the government has said that it aims to boost the rate of tests 25,000 every day. They're testing people in hospitals. They're testing people who come forward for tests. You can see why there's a lot of cases of people coming up positive. It's because they've been doing all these tests with test kits. Some of these people were perfectly normal, fine. I believe that. So you can see the reason why people are getting the virus. In my opinion, they are the ones who are spreading the virus. But one production firm, Luxembourg-based manufacturer Eurofins, told UK labs on Monday that deliveries would be delayed as core parts had been contaminated with coronavirus, the Telegraph reported. This shouldn't significantly affect the UK's testing efforts, government sources told the paper. You know, this is the problem. You don't have real equipment to test people, but then you're going to say this shouldn't significantly affect the UK's testing efforts. Of course it did. You don't got nothing to test with. If you did, you would have never gotten it shipped from China with all the testing they've been doing. You know why? Those test kits were infected. So as much as they want to do more testing, what's the point? You've got them test kits infected. I'm just going to be looking at another article as well. And this time, this article is from the Mail Online. And this is the 22nd of April, 2020. University of Washington is forced to halt use of coronavirus testing kits it bought from China for $125,000 after it reveals some are contaminated with bacteria. Tell the people the truth. Tell them that the bacteria that's in these kits is actually the coronavirus. Didn't we just look at an article from the UK? The kits were contaminated with coronavirus. That's what they said. But now this article is telling us it's bacteria. You see? They don't want to tell the people that it's contaminated with coronavirus. They want to say bacteria instead. Seattle-based businesswoman Anita Nadelson helped to secure the kits through Chinese business contact. Well, you know what? I'm going to say this to you right now. The business contact is probably connected with Bill Gates and those who are trying to spread the virus. We already know they want to give us these vaccines. They don't want to kill the virus, like I said in my previous videos. So these business contacts who are shipping these things, I believe that this is purposely done. You put the country on lockdown and you don't need to catch the virus from person to person anymore. They just need to put them in the kit so you can catch them. And this is what they are doing right now. And I believe that they are still doing it now. Like the video and subscribe.